This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's FastPlay, your movie and a selection of bonus.
For the first time ever on Blu-ray, Disney's original musical classic, The Jungle Book. The timeless story of Mowgli, a boy left in the wild.
So you're the man cub. Crazy.
Baloo, the bear that raised him.
Nothing or nobody is ever gonna come between us.
And the friendship that lasted a lifetime.
Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities.
Now, digitally restored for the first time in high definition. The Jungle has never looked this good.
It's beautiful, ain't it?
And your favorite songs have never sounded better.
The bare necessities of life will come to you.
I like being a bear.
That's my boy.
Disney's high-flying, swinging, singing adventure. The Jungle Book Diamond Edition. For the first time ever on Disney Blu-ray and digital. Only for a limited time.
Yeah, man.
Heads up, everybody! It's showtime!
Grab shell, dude!
Ready?
Ready!
Oh boy, oh boy!
Look it.
You got a problem, buddy? Do you?
Where is my super suit?
Spit that out right now!
You mean you don't like me?
So long, partner.
I'm joy. This is sadness. That's anger. This is disgust. And that's fear. Come on, group hug. You too, anger.
Don't touch me.
Summer in the city of Arendelle couldn't be warmer, but that's about to change forever.
Cold.
The land's covered in eternal snow.
If we don't do something soon, we'll all freeze to death.
You want to talk about a problem? I sell ice for a living.
That's unfortunate.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf. Hi.
You're creepy.
We got off to a bad start.
I know how to stop this winter.
Hang on!
I like fast.
Whoa! Get your feet down. Seriously, were you raised in a barn?
Let's go bring back summer!
Wolves!
Stop!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Are you okay?
I've got a thick skull.
I don't have a skull.
Oh, woo!
Head rush.
It's like a little baby unicorn.
Now we just have to survive this blizzard!
That's no blizzard. That's my sister. Olaf, you're melting.
Some people are worth melting for. You're just maybe not right this second. No!
Olaf!
Hang in there, guys! I give you my legs! I give you my legs!
Those are my legs.
Oh, hey, do me a favor, grab my butt. Oh, that feels better.